Hello student, I will tell you how to get more and more benefit of my videos. First of all, you have to write down each and everything, and secondly, you have to listen me carefully. And after writing all these things on your notebook, just read it one time and it will be done. Okay, forever means you revise after 1 week, and after 2 weeks then you will be perfect in it. So always write, then you'll get success definitely. Out of phenol and anisole, which is more reactive for electrophilic substitution reaction. Please subscribe my channel, like button also press it. Now this phenol is and this anisole, which is highly reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Phenol. Why? Because after the loss of H positive, phenoxide ion are more resonance stabilized. Okay, so that is the extra stability of structure 2, 3 and 4 in phenol, though loss of proton is responsible for the greater reactivity of over anisole. This is very important. Many times it is asked, and sometimes the students are doing mistake. Okay, they are thinking that anisole is having this OCS3 group, so no, this phenol is more reactive. Okay, because this will be after this loss of this phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized. You know that phenol can give react with bromine water and give 2,4,6. I have written 2,4,6 tribromophenol 5 ppt is obtained, but anisole does not. What does it mean? Phenol is more reactive than anisole. What is anisole? This is methoxybenzene. It is ether. Okay, and this is phenol. Phenolic OH is there. So this is more reactive. Draw these 5 structure, resonating structure. Very easy to do. First make this 5 rings, hexagon ring, benzene ring, and here first and last one is very easy. If the double bond this side, in the last you have to make double bond this side. Okay, and then in third there will be parallel, and this see, when electrons are coming over here, this electron move toward here, so it is coming over here. Now here it is jumping, forming a bond like this, and this bond pair is here. So ortho and para positions are highly electron rich, and since it is having it gained the electron from the deprotonation also, so it is highly electron rich benzene ring, so more reactivity. Okay, and now this pi electron negatively charged here, so it will come and form a bond, so this pi electron will move towards this at ortho position. So all ortho and para position are electron rich, so it is